Hello.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Salam. This is June 2016 paper we are solving. Okay. I think the question paper is with you because it is
Yeah.
possible to write all the questions. Whatever the necessary things, I will write it. Okay.
Okay. Which question is this?
This is question number 1. 2000.
Okay. Inequality.
We are
Oh, yeah.
solving in order only all questions.
Okay, sir.
First question, we are solving the inequality. Solve
Yeah.
this word if it is given now. Simply it is asking the value of x.
Mm-hmm.
So either should be less than or greater than. We'll see what happens. 1
Okay.
minus 2 times x minus 3
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's great.
greater than 4x.
Yeah.
We multiply these two with this and as well
Yeah.
as with this. So what happened? 1 minus 2x minus into minus becomes plus. 2 3s are 6 is greater than 4x. Correct?
Yes.
6 plus 1 becomes 7. 7 minus 2x is greater than 4x. Okay. Now this minus 2x we can bring that side. 7 is
Yeah.
greater than 4x plus 2x. So then 7 is greater than 4 plus 2 is 6x.
Yeah.
So I want the value of x, so we can divide 6 on both sides. On both sides, if it is cancelled, 7 by 6 is greater than x is one option, or you can also write this one as x is, if it is greater than, then we say it is less than 7 by 6. Both options are correct. And if you want the value of x, 7 divided by 6 is, I think, 1.17 or 1.16, the decimal value.
Yeah.
That if you want to write, choice is yours. If you don't want to write, also no problem here. That is optional.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the solution of the first question. Now moving to the second question. What it says, the gradient of a curve is given. dy by dx is nothing but gradient, the slope of the curve. It is given already.
Yeah.
Okay. I want the equation of a curve which passing through the point 1, comma. So whenever gradient is there, to get the curve, simply we have to integrate on both sides.
Yeah.
Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So
Right.
we know that integration and differentiation will be cancelled. Y is left here. Derivative and integration will be cancelled. 3 is a constant, as you know. The integration of x square, what is the formula? We can raise the powers. That is n
Yeah.
plus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 4 times. Here x to the power of 1 actually, if it is not given. That is raised to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Plus 2 is a as it is. And if it is nothing is there means 1. The derivative of 1 is x itself. Finally, after integrating, the rule is we have to add the constant. Okay, this is the curve equation.
Yeah.
And this equation number 1 is passing through the point 1, comma 3. So what to do? We have to just put this 1, comma 3 in place of x and y. We'll get this value of c, because here only this is unknown. This you can cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are also we can cancel it. And now if you put the point 1, comma 3 in place of y, it is 3 is equals to, in place of x is 1 to the power of 3 minus 2 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus c. And if you simplify, what the value of c we must get it here. Look at 3 is equals to 1. I can cancel it, minus 2 and plus 2 here itself now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this, if you bring that side, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we say that this implies we say that c value is 2. That value
Yeah.
of c we have to substitute in our equation number 1. So our actual curve is, it is x cube minus 2x square plus 2x, and then c value, the constant value also we got it, that is 2 also. This is the second question answer. I hope you
Okay.
understand. Third question.
Yeah.
Third question is, it is the question paper is with you now already. We
Yeah,
have
it's
to find out the values of x which are between 0 to 360 degree, and it is satisfying this condition. The question number 3 here is 3 sin x
yeah.
is equal to 4 cos x. So I want to get any one of the ratio. It means you can either divide with sine or divide with cos. But better,
Okay.
always divide the original ratio. That is, sine, cos, and tan are the original ratios. Cosecant, secant, and cot are the reciprocal ratios.
Mhm.
Always try to get our answer in terms of original ratios.
Yeah.
It means what to do here is, we know that sine by cos is tan. So what I'm doing here is, I'm dividing this equation with cos on both sides. Okay, this cos
Yeah.
will be cancelling with this cos. 3 into sine by cos is tan. 3 tan x is equal to 4. Then we say that tan x value is 4 by 3. Tan x value is 4 by 3, or if you want to convert into the decimal, if you want to get the value of x is equals to, it is tan inverse of 4 by 3. Okay, so then x
Mhm.
is equals to, if you see the calculator, the value of tan inverse of 4 by 3, if you have a calculator, you can check it, it is 53.13 something. And always the answer should be in degree. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
now it is asking to get the value of x should lie between 0 to 360 degree. Okay. So you see,
Yeah.
you know the rule, this one, all silver teacups, all students take coffee.
Oh,
All
yeah, yeah, yeah.
students take coffee. You see, our tan value is positive. Okay. Our
Mhm.
tan value is positive here. So this one,
Yeah.
positive. So positive
Yeah.
value, here all the values are positive. Here
Yeah.
tangents are positive. These two are the only quadrants where tan is positive. And I
Yeah.
want to get the value between 0 to 360. So two more quadrants are missing. So we have to add those two quadrants here for this x. It means 180 degree plus 53.13. So then finally our value of x, which is lies between 0 to 360, must be equal to, here it is 233 point nearly about 13 or something like that, right? We can round off to 233 also. This is
Mhm.
the answer of the question number 3. Getting?
Okay. Yes.
Now next moving to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, you are given that f of x. We have to show that. I think you can do this one. Can you do it this one? F of x
I'll
value is
try.
x cube.
No,
Okay. I'm always ready to help you for each and every problem. Don't worry. But if you have any idea about any problem, you should tell me, because I will tell you frankly, I'm little weak in bearings. Bearings, you know.
Yeah, we can do that later on. Don't
Later.
worry.
Because
Yeah.
in Indian syllabus we don't have bearing concept.
Yeah, yeah. No problem, sir. We can do that later on.
Okay. Now it's asking, you have to show that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. What do you mean by this?
That means it should multiply to give you something for
No.
fx.
X minus 2 is a factor of f of x, means if you take x minus 2 equating to 0, you will
Yeah.
get the value of x is equal to 2. And this
Yeah.
value of x definitely should satisfy this equation. It means if you put in place of x2, your answer will be 0.
Oh, okay, okay,
That
okay.
is the meaning of the factor of f of x. Let us see.
Okay.
Let us see what happened. If
All
it
right.
is 2, it's a 2 power 3, 2 raised to the power of 3, minus 2 to the power of 2, plus 2 minus 6. Now if you
Mhm.
see here, 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 6, negative
Yeah.
4 negatives it becomes negative 10, and 8 plus 2 is also 10. So this means that, therefore, we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of equation number 1. Okay,
Okay.
that is
Yeah.
the meaning of the factor. Should satisfy the equation. So next, this is in the second bit. The equation f of x has only one real root.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean by this? Let us see.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, what does it mean?
Yeah, it means that for this f of x, only one root is possible. Rest of the roots are complex roots.
Okay.
I'll show you what are the complex roots. I'll show you. See, we apply
Okay.
here the synthetic division method. Did you heard before?
No, not this way. I must have heard it in a different form.
No problem. Methods are maybe varied. See, the synthetic division method, what it says, we already know that x minus 2 is one of the factor of this f of x, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then if we apply the synthetic division method, that is, let us see this method. This is new maybe for you. This is 2
Yeah.
is the factor we know. Here we
Yeah.
have to write these coefficients of this equation. 1 here,
Yeah.
minus 1 here, plus 1 here, minus 6 here. Okay. So first value should be taken as 0 always.
Mm-hmm.
Now adding this. If you are going vertically, you have to add 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Then cross multiply. 2 ones are 2. Again
Mm-hmm.
adding 2 minus 1 is 1 itself. Again cross multiply. 2 ones are 2.
So, sorry, start this again, sir. I didn't get this. This last part. So I got 1 minus 1, 1 minus 6. After that, what did you do? 2.
2 is a
Ones
factor we
are,
know already, no?
yeah, yeah.
2 is a factor. 2 will be satisfying. 2 is one of the factor of this equation, means
Yeah.
2 definitely will satisfy.
Yeah, yeah.
Then satisfaction we have to write first a factor will be 0. And this way, whenever you are doing now, you have to add. And this way, whenever you are going, you have to multiply, cross multiply.
Okay. So why are you taking the first factor as 0 to
That is
start
the
off?
rule of synthetic division method.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then 1.
And then
2
1 and 0 you're adding.
Yeah, adding. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 ones are 2.
Okay, yeah.
That 2 must
Okay.
write here. Again adding. 2 minus 1 is 1 itself. 2 ones are 2.
Yeah.
Again
Yeah.
adding. This is 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. See, this is
Sorry,
one of
sorry.
the
You know,
verification.
where for the third column, where are you saying 2 ones are 2? Which one are you taking?
This one. 1.
The
into
bottom
2.
one. Okay, okay, okay. Got
2
it.
ones are 2. And adding
Yeah,
3.
yeah, got it.
3 twos
Yeah.
are 6. This is one of the verification that
Yeah.
the last factor will be vanishes.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
If not
Yeah.
getting like that, it means you are doing
No,
wrong.
no, I got it. I got it.
Okay. So these
Yeah.
whatever we are getting now, these are the coefficient of, actually our question is a third degree equation. Now after eliminating one factor, means we know
Yeah.
that one factor is 2. The rest of the factor coefficient we got it.
Oh, okay,
It
okay,
is
okay.
the coefficient of x square. It is the coefficient of x. It is the coefficient of 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So what it says in our second question, you see the equation f of x is equal to 0 has only one real root. This is the only real root. If you find out the roots of this, you will get complex roots.
Oh, right.
That's what we say, that x is equals to 2 is the only real root.
Okay.
We cannot find out the roots for this one because it is unable to factorize.
All right. Yeah.
That's what it says, that only root. Only real root also. This is the solution of question number 4. Moving to the next question.
Yeah.
If I'm going speed, just you tell me, okay?
No, it's okay.
Don't
It's
know in
good.
the rhythm, maybe I'll go fast. Okay. Next question number 5. John draws a triangle ABC with sides AB is equals to 12, BC is equal to 16, and AC is equals to 20. However, he can only measure the sides of the nearest centimeter. State the smallest possible length of AB in John's drawing Hence, calculate the largest possible value of angle B in John's drawing. For this one, you should know the cosine rule. Cosine rule. I gave you one formula, list formula. Cos
Yeah,
B
yeah.
is equals to cos A is equal to. For all the three, you have to use. Actually, this formula will be given in your question paper. I think formula list
Yeah.
will be given. In that,
Okay.
cosine will be there. Okay, you need not to worry about it because it will be given already. I saw this, it is there. Now, first bit answer. Among these three, AB and BC and AC, which one is the smallest one? The very simple answer.
12 AB.
12 only. So that's it. 12
Yeah.
is the first answer. First
Okay.
bit answer is 12. Second, means calculate the largest possible value of angle B. Means angle B means we use the cosine formula. That is, the formula will be given
Okay.
already. Cos B is equals to the formula, what it says. See, the logic to memorize the formula is first C square plus A square. If angle B is there, then angle minus B square will come later on, divided by
Yeah.
2AC, no B value, if you find out for B. And for A means A square
Okay.
plus B square minus C square by 2AB, like that. It's asking
Yeah.
to find out angle B, so I am considering only angle B. It is our
Yeah.
fifth question, second bit.
Yeah.
So the values, you see how to get the ABC values here. If you consider the triangle here, I don't know, maybe it is a right angle or not, but just for guessing, I am drawing this one. Angle B is our right angle, C and A here. The distance between B to C is already given, which is nothing but A value. How much it is given?
B to C is 16 centimeter.
B to C is 16. Okay, 16 we write it here. B to C is 16. Okay.
There are no angles, no? Yeah.
A to C?
A to C is given as 20.
16. 16 or 20? Okay, 20.
Yeah.
20.
And then A to B is 12.
12. Okay, according to the formula, this is the value of C. B to C distance is A, and this is B. Now, if you plug in the formula, what it says, C square. C square means, what is the answer?
12 squared.
Square.
Yeah.
C square. 12 square. Okay, 12 square or 16 square. For adding, if you change the order also, nothing will happen.
Yeah.
Okay. Minus B square is 20 square.
Yeah.
And if you have a calculator, you can calculate this one. And you tell me the answer of this.
Okay. Just give me 1 second, please.
You can plug in these values in your calculator. Simply, you will get your answer.
It's giving me 0. Maybe I've got an error.
90 degree you are not getting?
No, I'm getting 0.
How much 16 square is 256, no? Let me check it once again.
Yeah.
15 square is
256.
256 plus 12 square is 144 minus 20 square is 400 divided by 2 into 12 into 60. So will be 256 plus 144 minus 400. 2000. Zero. Okay, 0 means it's a right angle. See,
Oh,
cos B
okay.
is equals to, we're getting 0, nothing but cos B is equals to 0 means cos 90. Understand?
Okay.
Cos
Okay.
and
Okay.
cos
Okay.
cancel. B is equals to 90 degree.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That is the solution. So, John, largest angle B is drawing is enough. That's the question. Now, next, question number 6. Two cars are initially at rest. For this one, you have to memorize few formulas of kinematics. Physics here we have to use.
Yeah, you have to go a bit slowly with this because I've completely forgotten how this works.
Okay. Okay. The first formula,
Mhm.
S. S stands for distance, displacement.
Displacement, yeah? Okay.
The first formula, ut, where u is the initial velocity, t is a
Yeah.
time, plus
Okay.
half into a, where a is a acceleration, into t square, which is a time in t seconds. This is the first formula we have to memorize. Okay, whenever in our question you see two cars are initially at rest, you can underline this if you have a hard copy. Initially at rest means our u value will be 0.
Okay.
U is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity. Understand?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And one more formula we have to memorize here is v square, where v is a final velocity, minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. So in our question here, it's given about the acceleration. You see, if you read the question carefully, two cars are initially at rest, facing in the same direction. Just imagine that two cars. Okay, on a road. Car A is, I am just imagining that, suppose this is A, this is
Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
Car A is 100 meter ahead of car B. 100 meter ahead. Okay.
Yeah.
The two cars start rest at the same moment. Car A moves with constant acceleration. Means this is A value will be given in our question, 1.5 meter per inverse second. And car B moves with constant acceleration of 2 meter per inverse second.
Yeah.
What to do? You have to find out the distance that car B travels before it take over car A. The distance that car B travels
Yeah.
before it overtake car A. So what to do here? See, I will tell you. First of all, if you talk about the car A, how much distance is there? 100. S value is 100 is equals to initial velocity for both of the cars are 0.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this path will be gone. This is because 0 and half as it is. Acceleration of the first car A, how much?
1.5.
1.5. We have to write it here into t square. Correct?
Yeah.
It is all about the car A.
Yeah.
Now, when they are in rest, both of the car will have initial velocity must be 0, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Which is equals to, you see, car A, the distance is given 100, but for the car B is not there. Initial velocity will be 0 and 1 by 2 into acceleration of the second car will be 2 into t square. Understand? We have to solve this relation to get the
How
time.
did you get the 2?
It's given in our question, you see.
2as.
Car A moves with constant acceleration 1.5 and car B moves with constant acceleration
Oh, yeah,
2 meter per inverse second. That's what.
Yeah.
Here I'm using 1.5. Here I'm using 2. Here it's a distance given. That's what I'm taking. Here it is not given. I'm not considering. Why I'm equating? Because both of the car initially at their rest. One car is here, one car is here.
Yeah.
100 meters ahead. That's what 100 I'm equating. Shall I solve it? This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
100 is equals to 1.5 divided by 2 is nothing but 3 by 4. You know this? 1.5 nothing but 1.5 divided by 2 is 3 by 4. If you have a calculator, check it immediately. T square.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This 2 and 2 will be cancelling here. Okay.
Yeah.
It is also equal to T square. Now simplifying this relation, right? Now see from, if you take this value this side, 100 is equals to 3 by 4
Mm-hmm.
T square. Positive value will become here negative minus T square. 100 is equals to, if you take T square as a common term, we get to 3 by 4 minus 1 into T square. Okay. So then if you simplify, how much it is? 3 by
100
4
by.
minus, no, 100 will be keeping as it is only here.
Okay. Okay.
It is equals to, if it is simplifying, that's a minus 1 by 4, right?
Yeah.
Minus 1 by 4. So one more important thing I'll tell you. This is distance.
Yeah.
What we are finding distance, this is 100 meters of distance. Distance can't be
Yeah.
negative. If you simplify this one, we are getting 400. T square value will be getting negative.
Mm-hmm.
To avoid that confusion, we have to take here also minus sign. This minus sign must be cancelled and cross multiply. 400 is equals to T square. Then T is a square root of 400, which means how much?
Yeah.
T is equals to 20 seconds.
20.
Okay, T is
Okay.
a 20 second. First relation we got it. The distance that car B travels before it take over car A. If you put this T value here in this relation, here in this relation,
The top one.
here, I'll tell you.
Okay.
For A now, yeah, this part here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here. Actually, in this relation, I want to talk. Then you will get the distance. See what happens. S is equals to initial velocity anyhow 0 only, so we don't consider it.
Yeah.
1 by 2 as it is. Okay. अच्छे से सुन लो, फिर से repeat करना बोल तो बहुत मुश्किल है. First of all, Ramadan is going on. 1.5
Yeah.
into T square.
Yeah.
T value how much we got?
20.
20 square.
Huh.
Now if you simplify, and you should tell me the value of S. You only tell me what is S. After calculating this one.
Okay.
You can do it manually also, but calculator is allowed. Why we should worry about it? It's allowed already.
$300.
Yes, that's it. That's your answer is absolutely correct.
Oh, okay.
Second bit answer is the speed of car B, means it is asking the initial velocity. Okay. So we use the second formula. For the initial velocity, we use the second formula. Second bit answer I am doing here. That is V square is equals to minus, if you bring that side, U square plus 2AS. Everything we know. V square is equals to initial velocity, already we know it is 0, so no need to consider. 2 into acceleration for the second car B is 2, and S value just now we got it as 300.
Yeah.
Then if you calculate how much V square we are getting, 1200.
Oh, V squared is 1200.
So then the square root of this value, what is the square root of this initial velocity?
I'm just checking that. It's 34.04.
Okay, that is plus minus 34 point something, 64 or like that.
Yeah.
34 is also enough. This is the answer of the second bit of the question number 6. And I hope you
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
Question number 7, if you see, an extension to the roof of a house is shown in the figure below. For these questions,
Yeah.
you should get some knowledge about mensuration. Did you heard about it? Mensuration.
Yeah,
About
I heard about
angles.
it. Yeah, but yeah.
Which grades you are teaching in school? Sorry, it's your personal.
I'm only teaching right now till what do you call it? Your SSC in India. What do you say? So
O
GCSE.
level?
So no, I'm not teaching O level. I have to pass an exam, then teach. The test I attempted, I failed. So I have to pass this exam to teach this grade.
So you have to solve these papers for that exam.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever papers are there, along with the mark scheme also, if you send it to me, we can do it.
Yeah.
If you are
Okay,
comfortable,
inshallah.
then this week daily also I can take it.
Acha.
Please,
I can't do it
don't
daily
worry
because
about your amount. It is safe with me. If you want, I will return back also. Don't worry about it.
no, I can't do this week, sir. All of this week because I have parents' evening
Okay.
at school. So some of the nights I'll be late. But inshallah, from next week I'll be much better with my times. The same time.
So complete week you are free, or
I
is
can
it?
do it
Sorry.
tomorrow.
Okay.
G.
Tomorrow also we can do it. Then we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let us continue our class. We don't have the time.
Okay.
So one figure
Yeah.
is given. Okay. Extension of a
Yeah.
roof house is shown here in the figure.
Yeah.
Okay. The right CD and the line AB, PQ are horizontal. PQ, this point is very important. PQ is perpendicular to CD. If you have a hard copy, immediately highlight this point that PQ
Yeah.
is perpendicular to CD.
Yeah.
M is the midpoint of AB. The line PM is vertical. APB is an isosceles triangle. APB is an isosceles triangle with height 2 meters and the base 3 meters.
Yeah.
That will be dividing into 1.5, 1.5 because it is isosceles. You
Yeah.
have to find out the length of PQ. So which line I ask you to underline?
PQ
is perpendicular to CD. And here PM is perpendicular to AB. These two lines are perpendicular to each other, right?
Yeah.
So PM distance is already given, it is 2 meters. Then obviously PQ becomes 2 only. Because that is also perpendicular.
Oh, I see.
Q
Okay.
is perpendicular on CD and PM is perpendicular on AB. If PM is 2 meters, definitely PQ is also 2 meters. Okay. Yes, vertically opposite.
Yeah.
Lines. Vertically opposite lines. So first bit answer is length is 2. That's it. Now angle PBQ.
Q.
PBQ. So just see the figure. Where is PBQ?
So
means it is right angle at P.
yeah, that's what I was going to say. Is it right angle at P?
Yeah, it is right angle at P.
Okay. So we can get the length of PB, right?
Yes. Applying Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah. So that'll be 2 squared. Yeah. So that'll be 2 squared plus 1.5 squared.
Excellent. Then what's that answer?
Under
the root, of course.
Yeah. The answer is 2.5.
Exactly.
Yeah.
PB is 2.5. Now angle we have to find out. So angle must be measured in terms of tan theta only.
Yeah.
Always angle should be measured in terms of tan theta. Sin and cos also possible, but the accurate answer we always use tan only.
Okay.
So if this is theta, then definitely this side is called opposite side.
Yeah.
This is nothing but adjacent side. Now tan theta formula, we know that it is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by
Adjacent, sorry.
adjacent. Okay. So here opposite is how much we got it? Opposite is 2 now.
Yeah.
And this is 2.5. We
Yeah.
got it just now. So we
Yeah.
put it here. Tan theta is equals to 2 by 2.5.
Yeah.
Then theta value is equals to tan inverse of 2 by 2.5. So
Yeah.
how much it is?
$38.6566.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Round up
so
to
this
7.
question was that. Oh, okay, 38.7. So that's all it was. I was okay. It's not bad. This question is not bad.
This answer scheme, what you have sent to me, it's definitely helping me, and I'm boosting with this. Otherwise, exactly because I'm not dealing with UK syllabus. So accurate answers, I don't know.
Yeah.
Indian syllabus, if it is there, I can say that confidently that it is correct. Now,
Yeah.
if your mark scheme also, same answer we are getting. That's what. I
Okay.
hope everything is clear here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
from the next question, we'll do it tomorrow. Because
Okay, sir.
here around 11:50, Ramzan,
Yeah.
4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we have to wake up again.
So can
Right?
I just ask a question about
Yeah,
question?
please.
Do you guys use Pascal's triangle, or do you use NCR
Pascal
for
triangle or
binomial expansion?
Yeah, binomial expansion is we are using definitely.
Okay. Just wanted to ask what you use. That's it.
Yes, binomial.
Okay.
We are familiar with binomial expansions.
Yeah, but I've forgotten everything. But I know
No, I will
what
tell
we
you
have
in
to
detail.
do.
No problem. Nothing to worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So 8th
Right.
question, 9th question, question number 10, which is actually LPP questions. Luckily, I'm a statistics student, so I can do it.
Okay.
11 also we can do it. 12 also we can do it. Even 13 also we can do it. This complete paper
Okay.
we can do it without any problem. And even 14 also we can do it.
I don't understand 14 at all.
No problem. It's very easy. We'll do it.
Okay. Okay. Inshallah. Thank you very much.
I'll end up this session.
Thank
If you
you.
want this PDF, I'll send it to you.
Please, if you don't mind. Thank you so much.
Okay, right.
Okay. Can you send me the recording, sir?
Yes, as well.
Okay. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.